Okay guys, so you're currently in my cupboard right now. See? My tripod is completely done for. So I'm gonna try this without it. I really needed it for this video, but we will try it without it. So today I'm gonna do a cleaning out my fridge video. I just seen Kristen Casper post one and I was like, I need to do that and I might as well film it. So if you're interested in her video, I'll link it down below. But yeah, so this is gonna be like a clean with me my fridge. I'll show you inside the fridge. There's not much in it. So yeah, that's pretty much what it's gonna be. And then I really need to clean my house. Sorry if you can see it in the background, but I'm gonna hope for that to be a video tomorrow. But today is gonna be a clean with me my refrigerator because it desperately needs it. Okay, so first things first, just an overview of my fridge. There's not much in it, but it needs to be cleaned. I don't really keep anything down there. At one point in time, Andrew wrote on this for Macy's snacks or school lunch, his work lunch. So everything was organized, but I guess let's get cleaning this bad boy out. We'll take everything out first. Okay, fridge is all cleaned out besides the water. I figured I'd clean that one first, then do the water. These drawers don't come out. I don't know why they don't come out, and I thought they came out, but they don't come out. So I'm gonna have to clean all this inside the fridge or else it's gonna be difficult because the drawers don't come out. And for some reason I thought those drawers came out, but they don't. So this fridge is really gross. So yeah, let's get cleaning it. So first things first, I put Pine Sol in the spray bottle. I'm going to clean it with this. And then Method Glass Cleaner. Is done. Now it looks really empty. So I put the water in this drawer, and then this drawer here has like deer meat, and then I put our carrots in here because I didn't know where to put them. What we're having for dinner tonight, some pork chops. Down here I have like condiments like salsa, and then I have like the sour cream over here. There's another thing of sour cream up here we need to use up. More condiments, cheese up here, eggs up here. Milk down here, some sweet tea, some green juice back there, apple juice, some V8. And here's like taco stuff. There's little bread skinnies, some turkey meat, cheese, my collection of coffee creamers, a beer, Mountain Dew. And up here all I have is yogurt and like this little cheese ball. So yeah, now it looks super empty because I threw stuff away. But it looks a lot better and it smells a lot better, I'm not gonna lie. Okay guys, so that is it for my fridge clean with me. It wasn't like a big thorough clean, but it's so much better. Now I need to load it up with stuff again because now I feel like it's empty. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe down below. I'm gonna try to have a cleaning video up after this because my house needs to be cleaned, so be looking out for that. And I just had a vlog go live, so if you want to see that, it's like a week vlog, so if you want to see that, check that out. And Melissa's channel is always linked down below from JFam. Go check her channel out as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!